Mr. Speaker, I want to thank the Honourable Bhatnagar for asking this question. Mr. Speaker, food security is one of the key strategic objectives amongst the other three for Ministry of Agriculture. Food and nutritional security, to be correct. Mr. Speaker, there are 5 programs that has been developed by the Ministry to deal and deliver onto and secure the households in Fiji with regard to food and nutritional security. These are the distribution of home gardening seed packages, and we all know how beneficial and how successful this program is, and we are continuing that particular program. The other is the village rice production and supply program, where we are incentivizing villages to plant rice communally for their own consumption. So, Mr. Speaker, we are continuing with this program. Honourable Prime Minister launched this program at Babu village in Nendi, and we are encouraging, and I had asked Honourable Gavoka some time back, I said, get villages to come and register with us so that we can go and assist them. We've got a separate funding for that to assist them in land preparation. We provide free planting material, the rice seeds, and we will also provide the harvester at the end to harvest it, and then we will provide to them, all the villages, a portable rice mill. So we are encouraging and asking, Honourable Mulanauda, Kurundandi, whoever always talks about, agriculture, I believe is the kind of shadow minister of agriculture there, to please go, tell them, these are the programs we have, and we're serious about it. Every village, we want to provide a portable rice mill, which they will plug it to the power point, single phase, and mill their own rice and have it for the village consumption. We have the rice mill, we are about to give it out, and settlements too. So, Mr. Speaker, that program is ongoing. There are other villages. There's the list that I have, around 50 villages have enlisted, and work is now, some more villages have planted, and others are in the progress, but we have been a bit slow because of the pandemic, where there was restrictions entering villages, there were travel restrictions, there were curfews, etc. So we're going to speed up as restrictions are easing out. We then also have this household long-term food security, where we're providing 3 long-term tree crop to households. For example, seijan, coconut, and breadfruit to every household, so that once you plant it, you can harvest it forever. And then the other one is the 50-50. Village settlement household poultry meat supplementation. Every year we provide a number of chicks and wood feed to villages and settlements, so that they can raise this and for their own meat supplementation. Then we have the 50-50, the village nutritional security program, where it was launched on 10th October 2020 on the day, the Fiji Day, where on that particular day, our staff, Honourable Minister, Honourable Pillay, and staff are at 50 village, of course, with their consent, to plant 50 fruit trees around the village area for the village fruit nutritional security. We have done 2 rounds, Mr. Speaker, meaning we have covered 100 villages. We intend to do all the villages, but for the last 12 months, we have been affected by the pandemic, and we could not really go out. So as the restrictions have eased out, we now are going to go out again. Again, it will be the same method. One Saturday, we will say, okay, we are here. This is the new 50 village that we will choose, and we will go there with the villages. We will plant it. We just don't give the seedling. We planted that day at 50 village. So we have done, for example, in Nawaka we have done, Babu we have done. The fruit trees are citrus, avocado, breadfruit, papaya, kavika, guava, mango, chestnut, passion fruit, sosu, bullock's heart, coconut, star fruit, star apple, podilla, and abi. Thank you, Speaker.
Thank you.